angle up herself. Still not paying no mind. You know? She can't come on green screen, no text messages, no phone say me run her down. See it? She can't show a call log between me and her. So I don't tell me call me.
Your level, your energy up and then it drop just to zero level. I say, what is? I appear like. Oh, yeah. My first man with me taking in my lifetime was a Capricorn. Like sure.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat and you can see part of the screen. Yeah, people, Jakes is over in the next country creaming out one dolly. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because a lot of people thought say it was Chef, because you know she post so say she a fly out too. This man says, so we don't know if she's just looking clout or for Jakes or whatnot, but it's definitely not Chef. This man said her name is Sheryl. The talk around the town is that she is going to marry Jakes and give him a visa so he can make him wait to America to go see Ivan. And you know, they must talk a bag of things now and say Rose and crash out and all of these things because she get caught in a lie, saying that the boy never leave no money for the pitney them. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. But Rose is adamant that she didn't crash out, and in fact, was all her plan all along because she did tired of boy I touch her up and thing, you know. So she did have to do whatever she have to do so the boy can go along with him life. You see, man, I say, regardless if him get new wife. So let's hear what go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
Then more and more my niece. My first man who me taking in my lifetime was a Capricorn. Like sure. He came to me the last time. No, babes, I love you. You hear me? Yeah. After you manipulate me and fuck me. And then have the edge. And then things that me a mascot. And my baby, I love him. I say, yeah. You come check me Thursday. I say, yeah, me a come, man. I know Thursday can't come a blood clot. And that how much years? About 20 years ago. I know Thursday can't blood clot come. Oh. I say, me? That take me a mascot. I say any ball game with me play in any lifetime, me know exactly what ball game with me I play. So no boy not trick this. No boy not trick this. He said that it's anytime you see me like you, I will like you. Come and tell you I will like you. I fall in love with you. To all me like you. He said the day I find out where your blood clot be and your worst nightmare. You trick me once, you can't trick me twice. So you make the foolish mistake and start telling me the things that never come through that 1 year and go through that and fuck you again. Can I never look at you? Me nah look by you. Me nah look. Oh? And every relationship and everybody you meet, you have to learn. So you don't make the same mistake them go down the blood clot line again. You don't make the mistake them learn from every mistake when me make with a man. Whatever me and him a talk, whatever me a date, or whatever we a fuck. And I do the same thing with friendship because some friend cannot be trusted. Because they want to come run if you hear your business. Is there any friend of me blood clot I want to call me if you hear my business? You want me to tell my business, me don't want a friend for you. My business you want to know. Any friend of me have, when me if they call me, so I'm to you and the boy, stop calling my phone. When I use you because you want to know my business. And it trigger me off. Because person want to know your business, one want to take it and bomb rascal. Tell it me a mascot. Tell me a fool. Don't take me light here. Oh. Don't take me light. And take me a mascot. Me's a smart blood clot gal. Sometimes I just sit down and just crouch like a blood clot tiger. And I say watch I like fool ya. Come here, people just do the things they might not give them a long rope to hang them blood clot self. Kill your dead, you trick me. Me on top of my game. Me on top of my blood clot game at all times. He said me, he said me, did I do scam me that be the best scammer. Cause when I call one client, me can't feel emotion over the phone. When I start I know you're depressed. Nobody don't trick me. Everything, your body language, your blood clotting, I want the one who say, show no emotion at you are the wickedest. Cause if I can't read the emotion, you're a liar. Yeah. Nobody, a human being cannot go through life with no emotion. That means you're fake. That alone tell us say you want drunk up. No human being, no care you're tough, cannot if you're a murderer. And you tell me say you don't show the emotion, yeah, you are the wickedest. Cause we can't read your reaction and you're not showing the emotion, you're evil. Boy, no trick this. No time. No time. Come and draft up the memo and say, watch ya. And then I say things and do things to see our reaction. And I say, watch ya fool ya. Yeah. I know the game. I say, I graduate from man class. No, I won't. True. For social media with them shenanigans. You don't want me to be jealous. I never walk and say I said to people them. Want me to be jealous. Don't make them get to you. Nobody can get to me, Samantha. Anytime you see, you know, like, you don't want me to care. You don't want me to care so much. Why? I don't know when me don't know when me could have run down, I know one man lie like sure. Me know one boy lie like sure and wicked and evil. Care about what exactly? You know what me care about? I know me care into the ranking. Road a mother to pussy clad. Hear they? Over what? No, we can answer them. Over what? I'm coming to argue today. Over what? Moderator, lovely not do me this. I work, me come relax now. Me have it. And you're duty enough to take them way. We are read with them I say. We end them our role today. Remember our work will come. Turn the time back one day and the girl them talk. Man over what? Because the man can survive on his own. KK, that's why I left him the blood clot. Him can survive on him pussy clad own. Then the man want to have new girl with the blood clot have to do with me. How would the blood clot this? She's crashing out. What? If the man want to have new girl, what the fuck that have to do with me? That's why I left him go survive on him own. If he want to have a new girl, what the fuck that have to do with me? Pretend to do what? What may I pretend for? It burn you. Oh, it burn me. Which part it burn me? Which part it burn me? It can't burn me a key problem that I am an hour there. Me there? Or it burn me? Or it burn me? It burn the rose. Oh. Or it burn me? Let's be honest. Or it burn me in a blood clot when a peer beat boy used to beat me. Oh, it burn me when a peer boy used to blood clot beat me, have me a beat. Oh, it burn me. Me coulda leave an abusive relationship. I see a man with a next girl and it burn me. What is wrong with someone who like to type? Me coulda me pray. God blind me as I pray the day when me left Jakes. Pray. But not miss for a second. Or it coulda beat me. Embarrass me. Excuse me? Sure. Oh, that for burn me. You not get the memo, you not get the memo. Oh, that for burn me when I know exactly who you are. Nobody run from good. You guys are crazy. Someone know it's about social media and it's the drunker them are like type. Them cars them mix up them in the comment section. Oh, that for burn me when I was with you for 12 fucking years. Beating us top ya so. Beating us top ya so. So I beat me want. We not even I don't care who want fly out. I beat me want. Beating us top ya so. I say remember one of the blood clot time them there so. Remember one of the man in them. The man wake up before man, the man wake up and I tell the man in my ears. When I look to blood clot appear beaten. Beating us top ya so. So at that me a crash out for a man who me know gonna beat me. Beat out my blood clot. See it here. See it here. See it here. See them here. So this be a crash out. They beating them. Nobody for that pure scar with him though. So that me I got crash out daughter. We don't need to come off from my page and go on one I go. We need to go on. We don't need to go on. Me not like a man blood clot beater. And if you take up a boy beat blood clot woman no, I run funny. Cause 12 you what I beat my blood clot again. Remember one of the blood clot time them Jakes give me a blood clot bucking on my nose. I never blow a pure blood. I never forgot ever blow a play blood. One time I say I go so. Ever blow a pure blood. Me. Me said happy girl, I'm happy for you. Honestly. I when I was come type. Like me a mascot. I should me not give 2 fuck. I give a fuck. Can I always type? I see man beat me, come and beat my blood clot go. I see man. Me see it on the FYP, but me notice me notice. It's a lingua over here. When them see the things them and me see too. When I start my life, them hours I come over here. Them hours I come over here like them want me to care. But me don't really care. Me don't really care, you know. Cause I'm tell you about my baby father. It's when him want you, him is an obsession. And him ever jealous. Long as him want is an obsession, him always obsessed. When him not want you, him not even look. But see the day when him want you, him go chop it down in him world and manipulate and play the mind game. And play the jealous one. And him know him want have you in a one car and know so you not fuck on him. And him not stop walk and fuck on you. And the girl with Jakes, go on. I'm happy for you. Cause when they loyal to them, the people you know get back shit. Some of them I don't care. Loyalty me work with and trust. And you can't trust Jakes. And you can't trust some of them wicked boy in the world too. Cause them lie and like to pretend. Come on, fool, you know. Sometimes love blind me. Because me have a chapter in my book. For me look a bit and I grow. Love blind me. And sometimes I make love blind me in a blood clot. More pale like a wicked evil boy in the world. And love pretend and manipulate. Sure. And sometimes deep down in the back of your head, I meet some people in my life who I can't trust. I meet some people in my blood clot life who cannot be trusted. And some of them lie and wicked and evil and like to pretend. Jigsaw one of them is a great pretender. I have a few other more fake. So when you're around them, you don't know which part is real, you don't know which part is fake. So you can't stay around them people. I mean, me not like fake it, me never fake yet. Me a real, authentic Gemini. Me never pretend for like a dog. Why do you go to the insurance blood clot place? If I'm a see the woman, my spirit in a blood clot take her. I want to see the woman and my spirit take her. I pay attitude. Tell her who God me to me say. If I calm down, you can't go road and behave. So I don't like the woman. But when I say I have a cross spirit, I leave. But that's because people come out. I never pretend yet. If I like somebody, I like somebody. And if I don't like you, I don't blood clot like you. And if I really cared about Jakes, Unu couldn't force me for blood clot no care. If me don't really care about him, me da come and me da talk out of my mouth. I don't. No business. Unu man a wicked man. Someone says the man is some wicked blood clot pretender dirty man. Unu pretend that unu wicked and lie and evil. I like trick girl. Yeah. Man a boy ain't trick me. So when you feel like say you trick me, you support them a laugh. And me always a laugh. Cause anybody when me meet the first day, I'm tune into you. No make me tune into you. Cause love is blind for a minute for me. I tune into your blood clot. I watch you every single word will come out of your mouth. Watch everybody around you. I saw me pretty deep. I say watch all one day. Look on film face. I wanna try for show no emotion. I say, okay, you are one wicked. Cause we can't see a reaction. Yeah, did watch our next wicked one day. Sure. Father God, I am glad you have born me and made me into a person that I am today. I study everything. You find it when you want to find out about you want to find out about people, you study them every action. Every single move you make. Sometimes when them attack you, your mind lie. What them think? When someone like you one story, oh babes, me love you, and hear your mind to you lie.
Yeah, sounds good. Anyway, let's hear what Jakes did have to say, cause you know I'm cream out some girl yesterday and I feel himself today and I talk to things them about Rosealee, mad out and all of these good stuff, is him?
But I'm have to buy pussy and I'm have to buy pussy and him have to buy pussy and him have to buy pussy. And the whole I know over the whole of the haters over there. Yeah. Yeah. And the whole of you feel like a sheep bun, a only bun. Big up to say. On the vex. Right now on the cut up. Yeah, dog, right now. If you don't cut one of them chat, if you never cut one of them, you not say no blood. I'm the boss. You know? Stress out herself and angle up herself. Still not appear in her mind. You know? She can't come on green screen. No text messages Now phone say me run her down. See it? She can't show a call log between me and her. So I don't time I call me chat and pussy me in a beg. She can't. You see it? And that really stress me out. Because when you know say it has stressed she. So the stress for her and a mad for her and hurt for her. You see it? And me, you see me now? You look at my friend and say you're a bad dog. Like that. Fuck you do. Make the girl go on with she go and you got bad up over there, so. You see it? And that my friend them tell me, Laura alone and you know, Jakes, you, where Laura alone, Jakes and where. You make your friend them can't tell you the same bum buckler thing. You know? Lord Jakes.
Yeah, I mean, no, Rosalee's a good liar. People, can you believe all this time it thinks that Rosalee was telling the truth about everything? I swear to her, no. But when she said the pitney thing, man, boy, I know I have to question everything Rose said about Jakes, you know. I said, man, I said, 'cause Jake's a good youth, man, them just, 12 years behind. Anyway, people, when I go along and listen along, so do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest stuff. Bless.